Yo guys, what's up? So today I'll be showing you guys how to tie a fishing knot. Um, so the most commonly used knot in fishing. So I have some line here. I don't know if you can see it that well. A swivel attached to a leader. Um, so first what you want to do, take your line, put it through your swivel of your leader or hook, and then put your finger right at the top of the swivel and where it meets the line, and wrap the line around the tag end of line around the line attached to your reel about 8 times. So 8 times. This is 6, 7, 8. Take your tag end, slip it through the hole where your finger is, and then you'll see how I have the tag end, and then there's another hole. You pull it back through that hole, and then just pull it down like that. Yeah. And then just take some pliers or something and a cutter on them and cut about an inch off, but you'll be cutting off more later, and then just pull, make it fully tight, and then cut off more until you get to about half a centimeter away. There we go. It's fishing knot, strong, easy, and it's pretty good. So please subscribe, like, tell your friends about this channel. There's gonna be more videos up. Thanks. See you later.